I got another flashlight I'm going to do a test and review on by Cyansky, and this is the K3. And we're going to hurry this up a little bit. I want to get to the good things on this flashlight. This is only running 600. Turbo is 1600 lumens. Runtime is for 2 hours. We'll put it, runtime is 2 hours on 1600 lumens and then 3 hours on high for 800 lumens. Low, you get like 12 billion hours of runtime. But it's running 21,700, 5,000 milliamp battery. The thing on this says 600 meters of throw. And I'm going to tell you from testing flashlights out that I think it's farther. And this might be my new go-to little thrower flashlight for shining deer and stuff along the road or whatever. You'll see what I mean on this thing. This is unreal. And to be honest with you, my guess it's a XHP 35 high emitter in there. But I never looked. Oh no. Look at that. A SFT 40W LED. Luminous. This is equipped with Luminous latest SFT-40-W LED. And I haven't been keeping up with it, but this thing is unreal. The regular Cyansky's rear tail clicky, and then you got your mode switch right there. And I think it's on turbo already, but this thing is phenomenal. That's low, and I've taken the dogs for a walk on low, and you can actually shine out quite far just on low, medium, high, and then turbo. And turbo does not drop down. It runs like this. And the battery that it comes with, these, by the way, these lights are so well built, these Cyanskys. I am really starting to like this company. This is a 5,000, well, let's get her focused here. 5,000 milliamp hour, 18 watt hour, 21,700 battery. Any of these Cyanskys I've had with these batteries, I've never had a problem. No problems with the battery whatsoever. This thing is a rocket. Build quality, phenomenal. The belt clips on them, actually quite nice. What you get with this flashlight is Cyansky's holster. Very thick holster. The back seems to hold up pretty good. I've used one quite a bit. Real heavy duty lanyard, spare O-rings, and a spare pressure switch. On that battery, you plug right into the battery. But yes, you have to take the battery out. But it's a micro USB. I'm sorry, a USB-C battery and a pretty decent cable it comes with. But this light is just plain wicked. This is what the side of the box says, if you're interested. Luminous SFT-40. Pretty good bulb. So what we're going to do is I got a Lux Meter there in the back, and we're going to hit the throw on this and calculate it out just to see how far it calculates the throw and see how close you are to 600 meters. Get this other light shut off. Lux Meter turned on. We do have max on there. And here we go. I'm 2 meters away. We're going to calculate this up. And that was, you can see there, 26,800 lux. So we're going to take 26,800 times 2 meters squared is 4, divided by 0.25 is the brightness of the moon. So now what we want to do is take the square root of 428,800. And that comes to 654 meters of throw. It's over 600, I'm telling you. So now we got to get outside, and I want to show you the beam shots of this, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. This is my new, smaller sized Throw King. And I'm telling you, this thing is awesome. There is a tree at 62 meters away in front of the moon. And here is that Cyansky K3 on the high mode. Is that wicked or what? Love this light. It's a rocket. That's the high. Lowest modes even hit the tree at 62 meters. Medium. And then high. And then turbo. Pretty awesome. All right, we got a tree at 94 meters away. The Cyansky K3. I don't know if it's going to be able to hit it or not. We'll find out. Almost knocked it over. 94 meter tree. Look at that in the background. Beautiful beam. This is one bright light, people. That, of course, is on the highest mode, but a decent runtime on there, too. Awesome. All right, here we go with the Cyansky K3 on a snow covering up in that valley over 200 meters away. No problem. This thing just goes on and on and on. If I were to move this over to that tree line up there, I don't see no deer. Sometimes there is. That's over 300 meters up there. It does an incredible job. Pretty awesome flashlight, ain't it? Could move over to the neighbor's place. Hopefully they don't get mad. But you're talking a long ways away, and it lights that up. Whoa, that's real long. I don't want to do it too much and irritate them. If you want to see something cool, here's the Cyansky K3. Over 500 meters down there. That tree line, them pines. Look at that. Who needs sunlight? Pretty cool. Okay, it's kind of fruitless, but this is that Cyansky K3 on a tree line that's 40 meters back. Well, what I want to do is walk up into them pines and shine it up in the air and around just to show you. Before I do that, let's go to lowest mode. Incredibly long battery life. See them tacks reflecting? The mimic animals, them are probably upwards of 50 meters back. That's the low mode. And the next mode up. Wow. Let's go up there into the pines. I don't know about you, but that is a flashlight. Pretty awesome. All right, I'm going to walk down the road and we're going to shine the Cyansky K3 back and give you an idea just how bright this light is. Awesome light. Got to add it to your arsenal. Cyansky K3. So there you are, the Cyansky K3. Very well built flashlight. Extreme amount of throw. This thing is built awesome. This light ain't going nowhere. This is getting added to my collection. You're talking over 600 meters of throw out of this flashlight. Check that link out down below for this thing. You'll be very impressed. Very impressed. So there you go. Till the next time.